Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is currently 1:45-ish and I'm just starting to get ready because we are actually going to go to a fun little influencer event tonight. It's super early right now to be getting ready, but I want to avoid traffic, and so I'm planning on leaving here early and working at a coffee shop near where the event is before I head to the event. Just always easier that way. The event today is with Princess Polly to celebrate their store opening, which is so exciting. They just opened, I believe, their very first ever physical store at the Century City Mall, which is my favorite mall in LA. And I've actually been dying to check it out, so perfect opportunity here to go and do that. And so we're gonna do a little sip and shop, and then we are going to be having a little dinner at the Century City Mall as well. It's gonna be super fun. I'm going with Morgan, but I thought we could get ready together because I actually got some new makeup items from the Sephora sale, and I thought we could play with them a little bit together. This is actually one of them. This is the Lancome All Over Concealer. I'd heard the best things about this and I'm a big fan. I've used it once since I got it. We did a little Friendsgiving this weekend, so I used it then. Thank God the color match was good because that's always hard to do online, obviously. It's just so creamy, it blends really nicely. I'm a really big fan of this. Also, my skin is looking surprisingly good for the fact that I am getting my period this week, so knock on wood that it somehow stays that way. I also got a new eyeshadow palette. I got the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes eyeshadow palette, and it just has obviously tons of gorgeous neutral mattes, which I just love. And I'm thinking about maybe doing like a little brown smoky eye situation. Let's start with just some bronzer. Same bronzer that I'll use on my face, just in my lid to help, you know, blend everything. I think I'm gonna use a mix of these two colors here, and I'm just gonna kind of like pack this in near my lid and start blending up. Trust the process, you guys. That's what I have to do. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I think maybe this brown color here and just start to blend. Get some color under my eye to help balance it. Now what I need to do is get some color on my face so I can see how this is actually looking. And I do kind of want to actually bring a little bit of my highlight onto my lids. I'm just gonna tap that right on top. And now my favorite thing that I got from the Sephora sale, this Too Faced chocolate mascara. It goes on so smooth and I'm loving the brown eyelashes. I'm completely obsessed with this mascara. I'm gonna go do my hair and get dressed, and I'll show you what I'm wearing before we leave. Please ignore my messy bedroom. What else is new? But here is the fit. I just have this little black leather-ish bag, or just like patent shiny black, which I thought was kind of fun, with the leather pants. This sweater is from Princess Polly. I do have a t-shirt under it, which is supposed to be peeking out a little to give a little layered effect, like so. But it always just falls under, so I'm constantly like pulling it up. Anyway, the black pants and then the Pradas are coming out just to, you know, class up the look a little bit, give it a little extra oomph, but so cute. I love it. And we are going to head over to the Century City Mall now. Alrighty, we made it to the Century City Mall and I have just gotten to Zinc. I got myself a pistachio milk matcha. It's so good. Oh my god, it's literally my favorite. Tara and I don't know if you guys remember, but Tara and I discovered this like sometime earlier this year, maybe last year, I don't know, and we have been obsessed with it ever since. I rarely go to Zinc, but when I do, I get the pistachio milk matcha. It's delicious. And now I'm just gonna put my head down and get to work. Successful work sesh, and I'm just going down right now to meet Morgan at the ballet, so I'm gonna throw my backpack in there. I'll grab it from her before we leave. But I managed to get most of what I needed to done, which is great, and now we're just gonna kill a little bit of time before the Princess Polly event begins. And 10 minutes later, I am back at Zinc. But I'm with Morgan this time. And we just decided to get a little drink before the event starts, which is starting with the sip and shop, so just more drinks to come. We're gonna have to like...
and shop?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, a sip and shop.
Why did we try? I don't know.
Got a little espresso martini. Morgan got a Hugo Spritz. Oh my god, this is so full. I'm so scared of spilling this. Cheers! delish. Heading inside. Okay, it is so cute inside of the store. Definitely going to be shopping around a little bit and got a drinky. These are Blonda, I think seltzers, tequila seltzers. This is the watermelon one. You guys know me, I'm a watermelon girly, so I always go for the watermelon. Let's taste it. Have you tried yours yet? Is it good? Ooh, it's really yummy. Okay, I love it. We're just stepping outside because it is very hot inside. There are so many people in there, so the body heat is heating. But we had to pick out one little item from their store, which is so cute. I'll show you what I got when I get home, or maybe tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. And I think we are just heading to dinner right now. We're going to Italy, I think like their rooftop terrace, which is called Terra. And I'm so excited for some pasta and a glass of red wine. It's gonna be delicious. Found our seats. Morgan and I are sitting right next to each other with Nicole, our Princess Polly favorite girly. We're getting ready for dinner pretty soon. They're doing cute little permanent jewelry, so probably gonna have to get some. Do we even need gold or silver? Yeah, me too. Yeah, same. All the gold.
To say a massive cheers to you all. Can you please raise your glasses for me? Cheers to everybody here. We hope everyone has a happy and healthy holiday season. And love you guys all.
Cheers! Cheers, you guys! It's the next day, you guys. I don't know if you can tell. Oh my god, is this my hair sticking straight up? Yeah. I just came back from Pilates, so I'm just a little messy here. But I really quickly wanted to haul the stuff that I got from Princess Polly. Also, I think what I was saying is, I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining today. Let's just enjoy this. So good. Which is actually perfect because I'm gonna finish Iron Flame tonight. I am so excited. That reading vlog is already up on my channel, so go check that out if you want to see my reactions. It has spoilers in it, so fair warning, only watch it if you've already read it, or if you don't care about spoilers, then go for it. But I'm just about to go get in the shower post Pilates, but I want to haul the stuff from Princess Polly because I want to wear the sweat set that they gifted me. So first and foremost, this is the one item that I picked out. We got to pick out one item from the store. I think I told you that. And I got this cute little turtleneck here, just like simple gray. I love like how big this turtleneck is. And then they gave us this giant tote bag here filled with stuff, so let's see what's inside. First of all, tote bag is so cute too. Add it to the collection. So exciting. Look at this. This is Princess Polly's first ever PJ set, so I'm so oh my god, it's so cute. I haven't like properly looked at this at all. Cute little white long sleeve, and it has little butterflies on it. Like, what a cute, dainty little print. I'm so into that. And then just some really nice, lightweight pajama pants. This is like perfect pajama set because it's lightweight, comfortable. It's so soft. And I just love like all the little like lacy bow details. It's giving the early 2000s vibe that I am looking for. So love that. And then this is what I'm going to put onto my body, I think, because I need something a little warmer right now. A sweat set. So here are the sweatpants. It has a little Princess Polly logo right here. So soft. They just feel so like thick and like luxurious. You know what I mean? Like, how cozy do these look in the color? So cute. And then a matching sweatshirt, voila. And actually it's a hoodie, which is really nice because I don't own that many hoodies. And like literally today I was like, I don't have anything with a hood to put on. So hoodie, here we are. So cute. And I got both of these, I think, and the PJs in a size 2. Yes, correct. Oh yeah, I forgot. They gave a laptop case, which so cute, matches the tote. And yeah, and that is the bottom of the bag. So huge thank you to Princess Polly for having me for all of these goodies. It was so much fun. I met so many fun, cool girls, which was really great. The dinner was delicious. It was obviously so fun hanging with Morgan. So overall, great evening. And I think I'm going to be checking back in with you guys over the weekend when we are decorating the Christmas tree. So stay tuned for that. The time has come and we are putting up the Christmas tree. I am so excited for the holiday transformation to begin on our apartment here. And of course the Christmas tree has to go first. We're gonna work on getting that put up now. Of course the stressful part is like actually getting the stuff out of this closet. Different. Which is always quite interesting. Excellent work, babe. Thank you.
No problem.
Like, tree. I don't know.
You want those?
Pull them out. Yes. So excited. Yay! Except the bottom isn't turned on yet. Yay!
Looks pretty damn good.
Yeah! Woohoo! This is literally my favorite site in the world. I'm so excited. We have more decorations out. We're gonna start adding things to the tree. Obviously, Santa's little helper, our little elf. Okay, got a couple extra lights in there. I only have one string of these, so they're kind of like sparse throughout the tree, but I still feel like they add like some nice light variation and just more lights in general, which is always the best. And again, this year I'm using these Phillips sockets. Found these at Target one year and just fell in love with them. It comes with 3 of them. You can like plug things into it, and then it just has this little remote that you can use to turn the lights on and off. Very convenient, because then you can like hide these things away and not have to worry about like crawling to plug things in all the time. Okay, tree update. We have hung all of our really big ornaments and also all of our like kind of cute special ornaments that have funny inside jokes and stuff to us. So we got all of those on the tree now. And now we're just gonna fill in all the holes with these ornaments. We've gotten more ornaments on there and she's looking really beautiful. Oh my gosh. I've never really been able to find a tree topper that I love, slash that can easily stay on this tree. It's always like lopsided, it drives me crazy. So no topper for now, but we'll see what we come across. Molly's already hyper excited to play under the tree and climb it and attack all the ornaments, right, Molly? That's right.
I'm crazy.
We have so many good ones on here though. This Santa, drunk Santa ornament, which Con got to represent
Christmas.
me. Drunk Santa.
Well, it was because you love Christmas and wine. It wasn't calling you drunk Santa.
Oh, okay, whatever. Hot cocoa, because that's what I call Connor during Christmas. We also have tons of these little shimmery crystal ones, and they are so pretty. I feel like one year I wanted like buy a bunch of those and do the entire tree in just those. Like it would be so pretty.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Yeah, right? Like they're just so simple, but they reflect so much light, which is just gorgeous. We have a giraffe here. We have this ornament, which actually Kelly bought us over our engagement weekend.
Thank you, Kyles.
Our first Christmas engaged. So cute. I love it. I'm so happy to have this up.
Right?
We have our whole Christmas bin here too, but I think I'm going to continue with some of this stuff tomorrow, like getting the lights around the window, stuff like that. We also have a Christmas candle. I always save my Christmas candles if I don't burn all the way through them. And of course, as always, we're also going to have to go check out Target and see what new cute Christmassy things we might be able to find.
Village.
Exactly. It's the next day, everyone, and we are going to continue on with our decorating. The tree is looking so pretty. It was so nice having it on last night while we were just chilling. There's nothing better than like the ambiance of just having like tree and Christmas lights on while you're just relaxing. I love it. By the way, I don't think I mentioned this, but I actually got a haircut last week. My first haircut in 2 years, you guys. Ridiculous. Let's see if we can get a nice little shot of it. Obviously still long, but just cleaned it up a little, got some layers put back in, and it looks really nice. I like it a lot. Wearing this little Princess Polly sweat set, my Uggs, and we are going to get to it. So I'm going to start by getting the lights up around this window here. I have these white lights here. I like to use white on this, that way it blends in with the walls a little bit better. And the trick here is that I have to make sure that the part that plugs in, it kind of has to start in the middle, which is kind of annoying, you know? But let me get another one of these plugs. By the way, check it out, you guys, I have Christmas socks on. Okay, so also luckily for me, I always just keep the command hooks on here that I used the first year that I did this. So really we just have to kind of string these up as best we can. Yay, this looks so good. Oh, I love having these lights up here. It makes me very, very happy. So just to give you like a closer look at what I do, I have these little clear command strips here, command hooks, and I literally just kind of hook them in. Don't have one on this corner here because it kept falling off, but that's okay because I kind of just like connected up here to this one. And I do have a couple awkward areas like this where it kind of like connects and looks kind of ugly, so I just try to hide that behind the curtain here. Around, more command hooks, blah, blah, blah. And then eventually I came all the way down here and I had extra left, so I just kind of looped it back in here, and then I'm hiding the extras back in this area behind the couch. And that works perfectly. So pretty. All right, I think I'm gonna work on our entertainment system next, and that definitely starts with pulling all these books out of here. And I think for now, at least, I'm gonna do the same thing as last year with putting the little houses inside of there with some lights. Although annoyingly, I have not been able to find our like third Phillips plug. Spotted. All right. Okay, so I dig this. I like how it adds a little light in there. I think one of the things that I need to look for is little mini trees that can fit inside of here, because I don't really have any that can, and I think that would help fill this out a little bit. Or I actually have another idea. Let me think about this. Let's try something. I'm wondering if it might look cute if I add some extra ornaments in there to kind of fill in some of the space. Like add these two together. I need to back up to see. Yeah, I kind of dig that. Okay, let's keep going to see how it looks. I don't know, I'm not like completely obsessed, but I'm not that mad at it either, so we're gonna keep it for now. See what we find when we go shopping. This whole thing might change, honestly. See what else we have in my box here. So, Christmas candle, definitely coming out. Trees. I don't exactly know how I'm going to use all of this yet. My candy bowl. More trees, more trees. There's a million trees in here, basically. I think we need to do some Christmas trees up here. And then maybe on this other side here, maybe over here we do like the clear with the candle. Definitely one more thing over here. There we go. This area is looking really cute now. Oh, look at the Christmas vibes. I can't wait until it's dark out, which will be in like 10 minutes, let's be honest, because it goes down so early now. Anyway, can't wait till it's dark so we can see what it looks like when it's all glowy. This is the last area that we're going to decorate, at least in this video. Hello again. Also, can we just talk about the mess that happens when we take our Christmas decorations out? Like, so much stuff has to get pulled out of the closet, and it just goes everywhere. Okay, so I actually just realized that I only have about 10 minutes before I need to leave the house, or like actually get ready to leave the house. So actually I'm gonna take back what I said. I don't think we're gonna decorate this in this video. We'll do that in the next one. And we'll go and do some like holiday decor shopping as per usual, run by Target, kind of do that whole thing, which should be really fun. But I wanna use these last 10 minutes to clean up because I cannot live with all this stuff here. So I'm just gonna keep out the stuff that we're still gonna use and pack everything else back inside of this closet, which is always a feat in its own way. I'm sure I'm gonna break a sweat. Okay, so I think we're just gonna end the vlog here now in front of the Christmas tree, which makes me so happy. But thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.